before that, I have one news, ma. I think anyone are from Hyderabad here, or maybe who joined in Hyderabad institutes? Anyone?
Yes, sir, I am from
I'm
Hyderabad.
from Hyderabad.
I'm from
I'm from
Hyderabad.
Hyderabad, sir.
Anyone joined in Ameerpet institutes, and then maybe you discontinued, or you are anyone associated with Ameerpet institutes?
Yeah, yes, sir.
No.
No. Okay. Yes. If it is yes, do you know something happened during these last 2 weeks?
Yes, sir. There was a ride,
Okay. So
like regarding the proxy.
yeah. So what happened is there are few people. I think everyone knows it. Might it's like open secret. Okay. Everyone knows like people will take you. Okay. If you join there, they will teach you some basic things, 25 classes, and then they will tell you, okay, I will do proxy. Please keep it on mute. No? Okay. So they will do first proxy. That means you will get a job, and then they will give you support. Okay. So on overall, they will charge 2 to 3 lakhs something. Depends on the job and payroll and all. Okay. So there are many people who do it. There are well-known people also. Okay. So what happened is just 2 weeks back exactly a ride happened. Okay. So when the ride happened, exactly that time the owner, one of the institute owner, he was doing a proxy. Okay. So 7 years jail and no bail. And one more main head was there. He was not involved. Like that time, he was very lucky. He was there, but he was not doing it. Okay. So why I'm giving this one is they are not a good paths actually. From their side, it's okay. That's their business. Okay. From student side, we should not attract to those kind of things. First thing, why? Because it will spoil your lives. Maybe if any one of your friends wants to go that way, you tell him, you just advise. Even though if they go, that's their wish. Okay? But telling them one time is our at least responsibility. Please keep it on mute. Okay? Second thing is, uh, if we go that side also, okay, even if you get a job, okay, you don't survive. Just 1 month, 1.5 month. There are very, very few people where they will survive. Okay. Maximum if you get a job with 3 lakhs, 4 lakhs of proxy support, everything, 1 month only they will. After that, they will lose the jobs. Okay, that is not at all a path. What is the actual path is learn by yourself, do your job, interviews, everything. Okay. Even though first 3 months it is very tough for everyone. Okay. Sustain it. And then your entire life will be easy. Now, people, students who are going to those kind of incidents, no? If we ask like whose problem is that a problem with the students or is that a problem with institute people, no? Let's say I'm ready to spend 3 lakhs for my job. To whom we can blame?
Students.
Student.
Students, right? Obviously students only, no? Yeah, good. Okay. Then if it is that case, then good. No need to speak. Okay.